Using grout under a toilet base fills gaps and stabilizes the fixture on uneven tile so it stops rocking and stays secure. When a toilet rocks because the finished floor is uneven, you want a durable, load-bearing material between the porcelain base and the tile to transfer weight evenly and prevent loosening over time. Grout is rigid when set, so it prevents movement that can stress the flange bolts or wax seal, which would otherwise cause leaks. To do this, remove the toilet or lift slightly if already set. Clean the groove or recess around the base of the toilet and the tile surface of dust and old caulk, and dry both surfaces thoroughly. Mix a sanded grout to a peanut butter consistency so it is firm enough to support weight but still workable, then press it into the base groove and any underflow voids using a small tool or gloved finger, packing firmly to eliminate air pockets. Let the grout cure fully, according to the manufacturer instructions, which is usually 24 hours for most Portland cement grouts, and avoid moving the toilet during that time. After curing, you can apply a thin bead of silicone around the outer perimeter to resist water intrusion, while keeping a small gap at the rear if you need ventilation for the flange area. Common issues are overfilling, which can raise the toilet and misalign the trap seal, so pack grout only to level and test the fit before final lowering and wipe excess immediately. Another frequent problem is using unsanded or non-structural grout that crumbles under weight, so choose a sanded, structural grout rated for floor loads to ensure longevity. Third is neglecting to cure or sealing too tightly, which can trap moisture under the base and degrade the flange or wax ring. So allow full cure time and use a thin silicone bead only on the outer edge so water sheds while the central flange area can breathe. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors by connecting them with professionals who respond to specific project needs like stabilizing toilets on uneven tile, and we also help contractors find work by listing project opportunities and local leads. We host an active discussion community where users and tradespeople share real-world tips, step-by-step methods, and product recommendations so everyone can learn from practical experience.